Hey everybody, this is Farms and Fixins, and today I'm going to show you how to install a 10-foot ceiling fan. So I've been doing a little research online looking for some large ceiling fans that I can put up on my pole barn. And every fan that I come across seems to cost over a couple $1,000s. But I did find these off of Home Depot and they cost about $370 per fan. So I ended up getting 2 of them. The wingspan on it completely from end to end is going to be about 10 foot. It throws out about 26,000 CFMs. So that's pretty decent as far as comparing to the other models that I would find from big ass fans or comparable $700 or $800, even a couple $1,000 fans too as well. So I did read some reviews on it. It did show up pretty good. So I said, what the heck? So before I get started, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm not getting paid to do this video for Home Depot or Home Decorations. I'm doing it completely on my own. I just wanted a really easy, effective solution to install a good, decent ceiling fan for the right price. So the plan is to get 2 of these fans installed in my pole barn over here, so when we cook out or work on trucks or work on our ATVs, that it doesn't get so hot in stinking Florida. I mean, that's the biggest problem here. So the idea is to get these installed. I got a little bit of a height problem here. I don't have a lift. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using my RV in order to get me high enough to where I can install it safely. So I'll climb up on the RV, I'll assemble the fan on top of the RV, and then I'll mount it and run the electrical. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna unbox it. I did sliver open the top of my knife just to get a head start on it. And I'm gonna remove the contents of the box. Sometimes people like to see it. I don't know if I'm gonna include it in my video or not. So it comes pretty well packaged. You get your blades here. They're nice metal blades. Really nice and sturdy. It does have a this side up, so you're not mounting it upside down. So let me take that out. Instructions. Sorry about the side view on the box opening. The sucker is a big box, so it's not like I see this every day. You got a mount for your light, because it does include a light on it. You have about a relatively 6-inch downpipe as well. That's here. And that's going to be, if you wanted a bigger one, you have to either buy the accessory that's a little bit larger of a pipe, or you need to kind of fabricate your own, which I would just fabricate my own. But at this point, I think it'll fit without needing one. Just some more covers, some more blade installation pieces, a remote. This unit, I haven't tested it yet, but a lot of people say that depending on the power you install, you don't really need to install a some sort of light switch for it, because the problem is that you need the remote to turn on and off, and it resets every time. But I'll check that out too. Okay, so this is probably going to be the heaviest part, which I'll bring up by itself on my RV since everything weighs a lot. This is the motor. I would say probably weighs about 15, maybe 12 to 15 pounds. And then that's it. You still got some more little installation pieces here for the fan. You have a LED light, and that's it. Okay, so I have everything already mounted. I put everything together as far as the fan is concerned. What you want to make sure of when you're putting this thing together, you kind of take everything apart and you route the wires properly, get it all set up. Then you mount a bracket up to whatever it is that you want. Let me have you look from that side right there. So I had to kind of cut out a little piece of wood here to make sure that it was installed level, because this sort of fan will only go straight up and down, so it won't be able to go on a curved roof or a curved ceiling for any sort. Got it installed, lifted up, put it inside the bracket, the proper back bracket. Got it leveled out. Now I'm ready to install electrical. All right, there you have it. 10-foot ceiling fan installed. Definitely moved some air. I'm feeling it from over here. "10-foot ceiling fan" right there. If you want to see more how-to videos, please like and subscribe. Definitely moved some air. Wow. Yeah, I'm happy. Make it.